everyone. Interviews are going on for admission at IIT. So I thought you would like to know that what IIT professors actually see in any candidate. How do I know it? Because of two reasons. First is that I myself have given many interviews of IIT. Second is that I have had a conversation with one of the professors at our college, that is IIT Kanpur. He told me few things that I would tell you today. So let's begin. First point is they prefer knowledge over marks. Yes, gate rank is important for getting shortlisted for the interview. But during the interview, they don't prefer rank, they just see the knowledge. The professor told me that once they interviewed a student who had AIR 10, but they rejected him. Why? Because he failed to give basic answers. So, whatever be your rank, prepare very well, because without technical knowledge, clearing IIT interview is near to impossible. Second point, they want students who will not leave the course in between. We all know that many of us take admissions at various places, then once we get some PSU or something good opportunity, we leave that course in between. So IIT professors don't want this, of course. That is obvious, right? So you have to make them see that you really want to do that course. You really are interested. If you have left any job, please make them know that you have left job to continue in your academics. Third thing, they will pressurize you immensely. Yes, whether you are a good candidate or a bad, they are going to pressurize you, because doing higher education or pursuing research needs ample amount of dedication. So they will prefer a never giving up attitude in this course. And how will they judge that? They will continuously pressurize you and see your attitude. So what you have to do, even if you fail to answer some of the questions, don't worry. Just keep on answering whatever you know. And yes, never giving up attitude doesn't mean that you don't accept, that you don't know. If you don't know any answer, clearly say, sorry sir or ma'am, I don't know the answer. Don't make stories there. They are experts of the field and they know a lot about it. So you can't fool them. Fourth point, highlight your strengths. Yes, by strengths, I mean every internship experience, job experience. You may be the topper of your college, you may have great CPI, whatever be the case, highlight it. Even if you didn't get chance in whole interview, make sure that while leaving the room, you do that you let them know about that achievement or that thing. I will give you my example. I had done internship at ISRO, like for my final year project. Even if I had written that in my resume, they didn't ask me during whole interview. But I made sure that they know that. How did I do? When my interview ended, I just politely told them, sir, I have done my final year project at Indian Space Research Organization. So they got really interested. So they asked the topic and I explained it in the letter. As my field was also related, that is signal processing and communication, my project was also related to the satellite communication. So this helped me to get higher marks in the interview. So this is how you have to use all your strengths and achievements. You have a limited time to showcase them, your talent. So make sure that you showcase your best of the qualities and experiences to them. So that's all for today. I hope this video was useful for you. If you liked it, like the video and share it with all your friends who are appearing for the interview today. See ya! Keep hustling.